Good evening, Soumya. You are doing which degree now?
Good evening, sir. I'm a recent BCom graduate from Marivanis College, Thiruvananthapuram.
Acha, acha. You have already completed BCom.
Yes, sir.
Acha. But you said it is under campus recruitment.
Yes, actually, it's campus recruitment. Like, I have completed my BCom
Oh, just
and
now
it's
you
from
are
my campus only.
just this year
Yeah,
you are
just now.
completing.
I'm a recent brand. Yes, sir. This year I completed.
Very good.
Last month.
Good. Very nice. Soumya, tell us about your family.
So, sir, I'm living with my mother, father, and elder sister with me. My elder sister is currently pursuing her master's in data analytics in San Jose State University in USA. My father is working in Niti Aayog, and my mother currently is housewife.
Good. Currently, why do you say currently? Was she working earlier?
Yeah, yeah, she was working earlier.
What is the work she was doing?
She was actually working in Hyderabad ICRISAT.
Acha, acha. Good, good, good. So now you have studied BCom. You are very suitable for bank job. Nice. Can you tell me what banks are doing? What are the jobs or functions of banks?
So bank mainly allows deposit from the public and lends it to the public whenever they are in need. They also provide many facility and services to the public like loans and education loans, etc. for the public. And also they have many types of accounts offered to public for depositing their money like savings bank account, fixed deposit, recurring deposit, uh, current account, etc. And also they have online banking facilities which have been developed recently, which allows the public to do online transfer of funds, online shopping, etc. within their mobile. Yes, sir.
Actually, this much length answer is not required. You have to tell banks collect deposits from public and make advances. If you want to talk
Lend them
something
to public.
more, then you should tell they also do answer, but don't tell that. They will ask you, can you tell what are the further services they are doing? In which you are repeating unnecessarily auto loan, education loan, and all that. That is that much lengthy.
Okay.
Answer is not required there. You will stop with the loans and then you will ask for what are the other ancillary services. You will tell banks do bank assurance services like canvassing of insurance policies, canvassing of mutual fund products, providing locker facilities, and also say providing debit card, credit card facilities. They also provide online services like internet banking, etc. So that way you should
Okay.
wait for them to ask and then tell me. Now I will put this question to you. Please tell me what are the other services apart from deposited advances which banks are doing.
So bank offer online banking nowadays, which allows the public to do online transfer of funds through online. Also, so, I'm
Forgot.
not sure about the answer.
No. I told you,
Okay.
na. Banks do bank assurance services like canvassing of insurance policies.
Insurance, yeah, insurance policy.
Life insurance and
That both
general
I
insurance.
told. Yeah.
General insurance policy, life insurance, general insurance
General.
policies, for which they get commission. Plus, they also canvass mutual fund products and they get paid for commission. Besides this, banks also provide lockers and they get rent on that. Banks do provide debit cards and credit cards and they get charges on that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I think because of fever, you have forgotten because earlier you were talking very nicely, very happily. What happened? So don't worry. You are living in which city?
Thiruvananthapuram, sir.
Oh, big city, Trivandrum. So pray to your Padmanabha Swami temple, that telling that you will visit after completing interview, irrespective of result, so that you can attend it with
Sir,
confidence.
pardon, I didn't hear it.
No, I said pray that you will visit Padmanabha Swami temple.
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir. Actually, Padmanabha Swami temple is just near to my home only, like just
Yeah,
5 minutes.
after the interview, you will visit, or even
Yes.
before, if possible, visit and pray. Okay,
Yes,
South Indian Bank. What is the rate of interest in South Indian Bank savings bank account?
Sir, it's for general public, it's 2.65%, and for senior citizen, it's 3.15%.
Or are they giving higher percentage in for savings bank account? Normally, in savings bank for senior citizen, no extra interest. Did you read
Sir,
anywhere?
they are giving extra. Yes, sir. I read it in the South
Acha.
Indian Bank.
If you
site.
have read it, is fine. As it is, the rate of interest starts from 2.5 and it goes up to 4.5 and all, depending on the balance available in the savings account. Good. I also saw yesterday that one. Very nice. Now, please tell me, what are the qualities required for a bank clerk?
Sir, a bank clerk must be equipped with all the banking knowledges. That is, he should know every every recent bank knowledges, that it be interest rates or deposit rates or any loan rates, etc. He should be equipped with all the knowledge of bank. Another important aspect is he must be able to identify the problems which is being in the bank. If there is any problem, he should always be able to solve it. Also, he should be able to work in team. Teamwork will always result in success. So a clerk should always, let it be clerk or anyone, he should always work in team. And from my point of view, I would also suggest that he or she should always have a good leadership skill, so that he can lead his team to the right path in achieving the bank's goal and aim of their bank. And also, yes, so that's it.
1 minute. Please tell us what are the functions of a bank clerk.
Sir, I didn't hear.
What are the functions of a bank clerk? What are the duties of a bank clerk?
Sir, he must be the one who is interacting with the customers when they visit the branch. He has to directly interact with the customer. Then he has to look after the business transactions being held in the bank and prepare letters, memos, and any return instructions, everything, and deliver it to the officer regarding any problems or issues being faced in the and he and also he can receive and pay out the money to the customers. The main the main role of the clerk is he is the one who's interacting with the customer directly, administrating them with the banking transactions related queries and everything.
Okay, good. Now, can you tell me which bank you are having account?
Canara Bank.
Canara Bank. Where is the headquarters of Canara Bank?
Sir, it's in Bangalore.
Acha, good. So what is the difference between our Canara Bank and our South Indian Bank?
The Canara Bank is a government bank and South Indian Bank is a private sector bank.
You should say, so Canara Bank is a public sector bank, not government
Yeah,
bank.
public sector.
Good.
Public
What is the
sector.
definition of public sector bank?
So public sector banks are those banks in which the government holds more than 50% of total stock. The government formulates all the financial guidelines for the public sector bank. The public sector bank is mainly operated by the government of India.
No, you don't have to tell that. It is the only board of directors are running it. Board of directors of the public sector banks, they run it. However, they are like private sector banks, public sector banks are also monitored by Reserve Bank of India.
Okay.
Well, can you tell me who is the governor of Reserve Bank of India? Fear is what is making you forget.
Shaktikanta.
Don't tell Shakti, Mr. Shaktikanta. You should tell. Mr.
Shaktikanta Das.
Good. Very good. Excellent. Soumya. Please tell me the functions of Reserve Bank of India.
So Reserve Bank of India is the central bank of our country.
Of our country.
Yes.
Continue.
A central bank of our country. It has the power to issue notes to the public. Reserve Bank is the one who is in charge of all the commercial banks and private sector banks in our country. It has the power to issue interest rates and every guidelines to the commercial bank and private sector bank. Let it be a repo rate and reverse repo rate. It is the Reserve Bank who decides upon it. Whenever there is any inflation in the economy, Reserve Bank is the one who is held responsible to control the excess amount of money supply in the country. And that's it, sir.
You could have told still more better now. You are a commerce student. And you have attended 2 or 3 classes where I would have told you, Reserve Bank of India is the central bank of our country. It is bankers to bank. It is bankers to government.
Bankers to bank.
It is bankers to bank, bankers to government. It is also note issuing authority. And it is the controller of foreign exchange. It also has monetary policy controlling authority. Why don't you tell like that?
Sir, it is also lender of last resort.
Last resort. Yeah, correct. You should tell like that. Now try again.
Yes, sir. So, central bank, RBI is the central bank of our country. It has the following functions. It is the issuer of bank notes. It is banker to government. And it is the custodian of foreign exchange reserve. It is the lender of last resort. And yeah, it's also controller of credit.
Did you tell about foreign exchange?
Yes, sir, I told about foreign exchange.
Very good.
Custodian of foreign exchange reserve.
Yeah, what do you know about SEBI?
Sir, pardon?
What do you know about SEBI?
Hello?
SEBA. SEBI.
Hello?
What do you know about SEBI?
Sir, SEBI. Sir, SEBI is Security Exchange Board of India.
What do you know about it?
Hello?
What are the things you know about SEBI? Hello, do you have internet connection properly? Hello? Soumya?
Hello.
Yeah, Soumya, what do you know about SEBI?
So my connection just got interrupted. Am I audible?
Hello? Yes, now it is okay. I am able to
Yes.
hear you. Now, please tell
Yes.
me, what do you know about SEBI?
So SEBI means Security and Exchange Board of India. It is the regulatory body for securities and commodity markets in India under the ownership of Ministry of Finance with the Government of India.
Yeah, no, you should also tell SEBI is the authority controlling of foreign stock exchanges. Present chairman is Mrs. Madhabi Puri Booch. These things you can say. And can you tell me which two stock exchanges are famous in India?
Mm.
You are a commerce
Sir, I'm not
student.
sure about.
You are a commerce student. You should know this.
Sir,
Bombay Stock Exchange,
Sir, I know, but yeah, Bombay Stock Exchange and
National Stock Exchange. Both have
National Stock Exchange.
both have headquarters in Mumbai. Okay,
Bombay.
excellent. Then
Yes.
commerce student. Please tell me what is the golden rules of bookkeeping? 3 golden rules of basics of bookkeeping. You have
Sir, it's hello.
forgotten?
No, sir, sir, am I audible?
Yeah.
Sir, the 3 golden rules are debit, that is, debit the receiver and credit the giver, and credit the giver, debit what comes in, credit what goes out, debit expenses and losses, credit income and gains.
Correct. But then you should also say the accounts are classified as personal, real, and nominal. In the case of personal, it is like this. In the case of nominal, in the case of
Nominal.
in the case of real account, it is like this. You should tell like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Can you please tell me what is balance sheet?
The balance sheet shows the financial position of a company, that is the position of assets and liabilities at the end of the financial year.
Don't say at the end of financial year, as on a particular date. You can take balance sheet on any date. But normally we take it as at the end of every quarter. Understand?
Everything, yes.
Yeah. So in the case of a company's balance sheet, say a trading company or a manufacturing company, what are the items that will appear under the liability side and asset side?
Sir, can you pardon the question? In case of?
No, in the case of manufacturing companies, what are the items that will appear under the asset side and liability side of a balance sheet?
Sir, asset side, plant and machinery, land and building, bills receivable, and in liability side and asset side, debtors also, and in liability side, creditors, bills payable, owner's capital, and credit. Did I mention creditors?
Everything you should speak.
Yeah, creditors, bills payable, owner's capital, and bank overdraft, debentures. Yes, sir.
Good. I think in the asset side, I think you forgot to tell about closing stock. Did you tell about that?
Closing stock. Yes, I forgot about it.
Yeah, that's right. Very good. Otherwise, you told nicely. What is depreciation?
Sir, pardon, what is?
Depreciation.
So depreciation is a decrease in the value of asset over a period of time.
What are the two famous methods of depreciation?
Return down value method and straight line depreciation method.
Good. What is a goodwill?
So goodwill is a brand image that the company has earned through its sale and purchase of goods and services.
Goodwill is the value that is given for the reputation created by the company. A reputation held by the company. Goodwill is the value given for the reputation and name of the company.
Brand image.
Branding name. Good. Very good. Who is the Chief Minister of Kerala?
Pinarayi Vijayan.
Who is the Governor of Kerala?
Governor of Kerala, sir, I'm not sure.
Arif Muhammad Khan.
Arif Muhammad Khan. Okay, sir.
Who is the Finance Minister of Kerala?
Finance Minister of
Some Balagopal
K.N. Balagopal.
Yeah. K.N. Balagopal, right. Then can you tell me K.N. Balagopal, that is okay. Now, what is local Kerala news today? Kerala news. You must go through onmanorama.com and tell whatever is coming under that.
Sir, you're not audible.
No. What is Kerala news of today?
Okay, sir, the news I read today was one elderly woman was found dead at home state in capital.
No, but don't tell such negative news. No, do not tell such negative news and all. Not required. Tell something which is
so
very.
That was just I read it.
I know it is there in the newspaper. I know that, but tell something else. Don't tell negative things. Don't tell negative things. Arundhati Rai is telling Kerala will burn down if you give BJP a chance. No. Those things are not required. Now Kerala news means not only Kerala, you can say anything about nearby states also. Hello?
Yes, sir. I'm just thinking about it.
So you could have simply told about Karnataka elections has been taken place.
Sir, but Karnataka, I am thinking about Kerala.
No. What is the news I asked? But then if you can't remember
you
anything,
about
I know, Kerala, true. But if nothing you are remembering as per Kerala, then you can tell something else about neighboring states also. That is how.
Sir, also one more news I read. The Kerala story box office collection is about 150 crores today.
That's good. That is good. What is the news about Farhana movie?
Sir, I didn't read that Farhana movie. I don't know about it.
Farhana movie. It seems Aishwarya Rajesh is acted in this.
Aishwarya Rajesh movie. Yeah, and I just know about it.
Yeah, and also lot of security is being given to her because some Muslims are objecting to the story content. Okay, that's right. You should read like this.
Okay, sir.
What is Ente Keralam in Kottayam? What is Ente Keralam?
Sir, I'm not clear. What is?
Ente Keralam. Ente Keralam. Kottayam.
Oh, Ente Keralam. Okay. Sir, Ente Keralam is a cuisine, like a restaurant that's been held in Kottayam.
It's an exhibition.
Yes, sir.
Exhibition. Good. Excellent. Who is a non-resident?
So, NRI non-resident is a person who does not reside in India for a period of 180 days, like less than 180 days, and yes, so that's non-resident.
Well, normally, NRI means those who are going abroad for employment or for studies.
So this is like we studied in commerce, like a person who stays in India for less than 180 days. 182 days.
Yeah. Correct. Good. Very good. Do you have any relatives abroad?
So my own sister is studying in USA abroad.
Achha. What is the currency of USA?
Dollar.
What is the currency of Britain?
Euro.
Pound sterling.
Britain pounds, yeah.
Yeah. What is the value of a dollar per rupee nowadays, roughly?
Sir, it's around 82, I guess.
Very good. Excellent. Best wishes. God bless you. Read a lot. Develop confidence.
Yes.
And attend the interview. Send me the list of questions they are asking you.
Sure, sir.